Welcome, this is part 2. Today we will learn about reading and writing to a console. In previous class we were learn about how to write a message on a console applications, and here I have a small structure of program and I want to print a message on a console applications. How to do that with the console class? Within the console class I have the write line method which is used to print a message on a console applications, and put our message within the double quotes. My message is enter your name, and let's quickly run this program. It will say enter your name. This is console applications, and user give it his name. This name is King. Okay, I want to read this message here, and how to read a message from the console applications with the use of the console.readLine method is used to read a input from a console applications. Okay, console.readLine method. Okay, this console.readLine method is have the input from the console applications, and this readLine method is written as string. Okay, so we will store these variables into these string variables. String name equal console.readLine. Okay, just run it again, and the user give the name ROM. This ROM is readed in this console.readLine, and this ROM will be stored in the variables called name. Okay, and my variables is have the value called ROM, and I want to print this values onto the console applications. How to do that? With the use of the console.writeLine methods. Okay, just stop our executions, and console.writeLine method. Here two way to write our message. The first way is use of the, just wait a minute. Okay, the first method is the concatenations. Hello, and plus symbols, and I have the value of these variables name. Okay, and let's quickly run our applications. I put my name Kings and plus enter. This will show our messages. Okay, this enter your names is for console.writeLine is used to print our message here, and user put the input called Kings. This Kings is, it will be stored in name, and this name is again printed it here. The name is having the value of Kings. Okay, and this is concatenations. Hello double quotes and plus name is having the value of this name. Okay, and this will also printed it on our console applications. And is another way to write a message to a console application is placeholders. Mostly all of us using the placeholders in a C# applications. Okay, Control K, Control C is used to comment our code. Otherwise this is used to uncomment this is used to comment. Okay, the second way to write a message on a console is placeholders. Console.writeLine hello is open brace and close brace, and give the index 0 and comma. I have the value of this name. Okay, this name values is substitute in this placeholders, and what gonna happens, let's quickly look at this. Okay, I just print my brother name. Okay, this will print exactly the same. Okay, and the next step is the console application. The C# program is a case sensitive. Let's quickly look at this. Here I have the variable called name and I just change this case to uppercase. What gonna happens? It's showing an error. It will not be built because this change the case. And what the error message says, the name does not exist in the current context. It makes sense, so we cannot change the case. Okay, that's all today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.